Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem of Laplace transform, we have to find the inverse Laplace transform for part A, which is 12e to the power minus 2s divided with s multiplied with s square plus 4. So let's assume that this is our function. We can say fs is equals to this is 12e to the power minus 2s divided with s multiplied with s square plus 4, and we can assume that say ps is equals to, this would be 12 divided with s multiplied with s square plus 4. Now using the partial fraction, this term can be written as e divided with s plus bs plus c divided with s square plus 4. Now when we solve for a and b, so this term is written as 3 divided with s minus, this is 3s divided with s square plus 4, c is equals to 0. Now when we do it, say this is ps. Now when we convert into Laplace inverse, so this would be the function of t. Pt is equals to, this is 3 ut, so the 3 and ut minus, this would be here simply minus 3 cos, so this is minus 3 cos, and this is 2 square, that means here this would be 2t. Now here simply we have to multiply with e to the power minus 2s, so we can write this term as, say fs is equals to 12 multiplied with ps, so this would be 12 not, so this would be e to the power actually, so e to the power minus 2s multiplied with ps, so we can write it as ft is equals to, this is 3 and multiplied with, so this would be 1 minus cos twice of t minus 2 is multiplied with u of t minus 2. So this is the answer for part A. And now part B. So again we have to find the Laplace inverse. Now we have given B, so we can assume that the function, say this is fs is equals to, say this would be, and now we can assume, say this is gs, so gs is equals to 2s plus 1 divided with s square plus 1 is multiplied with s square plus 9. So using the partial fraction, this term can be written as as plus b divided with s square plus 1 plus cs plus d divided with s square plus 9. Here a, b, c, d are the constant. Now we have to find the value of a, b and c, d. So here are the values. Say this is, say gs is equals to, this is 1 divided with 8, so this is 1 divided with 8, and this term is 2s plus 1 divided with s square plus 1 minus 1 divided with 8, so this is 2s plus 1 divided with s square plus 9. Now we can find the Laplace inverse, so this would be written as, say gs can be written as, this would be 1 divided with 8 and multiplied with 2, so this term can be written as, say 1 divided with, here 8 multiplied with 2, and this would be s divided with s square plus 1, which is cos t. Say Laplace inverse of this term is simply cos t, and we can write this term as 1 square also, and plus this would be 1 divided with 8, and here this would be the sign, so 1 divided with s square plus 1 square minus 1 divided with again 4, and this would be s divided with s square plus 3 square, or we can write it as 9, and minus 1 divided with 8, 1 divided with s square plus 9. Now when we solve it, so we can write this term as gt, so this will be small, so see gt is equals to, this is 1 divided with 4 and cos t, and here this would be plus 1 divided with 8 sin t minus 1 divided with 4 cos of 3t minus, this would be 1 divided with 24, so this would be 24, and here this would be sin 3t, so this is sin 3t. So this is the right answer for this problem. So this is the solution for part B, and now part C. So we have given part C, which is here. So in part C we can assume this is HS is equals to 9s square is divided with s square plus 4s plus 13. Now this term can be written as 9 minus, this would be 36s plus 117 divided with s square plus 4s plus 13. Now we can separate this into two parts. So this would be 9 minus, this is 36 is multiplied with s plus 2. So s plus 2 is divided with s square, or we can write in terms of whole square also. So s plus 2 whole square plus 3 square, and minus, this would be 15 multiplied with 3 is divided with s plus 2 whole square plus 3 square. Now we know that this would be simply 9 multiplied with impulse, so this would be delta t, and minus 36 and e to the power, say this would be e to the power minus 2t and cos 3t. So this is cos 3t minus 15 and e to the power again minus 2t is multiplied with, this would be sin 3t. So this is the Laplace inverse, or we can say this is H inverse S. So this is the right answer for this problem.